Sunlight moves in a straight line, that's why it forms shadows. In the same way, cathode rays move linearly in a straight line, they form shadow. You can see here the shadow of this plate. Alright, the second point, they cause a light paddle wheel to rotate, revolve, showing that they are material particles. They have particle property because when a light paddle wheel will be kept here, they will strike to it and cause to rotate that. They produce fluorescence. These rays, although invisible, cause some material to glow or produce fluorescence. They are negatively charged as they deflected towards the positive plate in electric field, showing that they are negatively charged particles. The charge by mass, E by m. E represents charge, m represents mass. Ratio of these rays is constant, and this is 1.7588 into 10 raised to the power 8 coulomb per gram. It is given in your book, page number 44. That is same for all electrons regardless of any gas in the tube. Okay, when we change the gas within the tube, the ratio will be same, it will not change. They possess kinetic energy. They can produce mechanical pressure, indicating that they possess kinetic energy. These are the 6 properties of cathode rays. You do not copy from this video, copy down from your book. Now what is the homework? This is all about your today's class detailed answer question. Describe gas discharge tube experiment for the discovery of electron with diagram. I have mentioned page number from your book, page 43 to 44. So how you will write down the main heading of discovery of electron, and then introduction, and then experiment, observation, result, and then diagram. Okay, then give properties of cathode rays. Page number 44 and 45 it is given. Now short answer question, what are subatomic particles? Name scientists who discovered these particles. So only you have to write the names of particles and scientists. Alright, that's why it is a short question. Give postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. There are 4 postulates. So you can copy down from page 43. State modern atomic theory. You can give the statement of the modern atomic theory, or you can write in points also. Alright, Jazakallahu khaira.